This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable dishes, specifically these Kettle dishes. There's two size options, the 3-ounce, which is 3 inches by 2 1/4 by 1 1/2, and the 12-ounce, which is 6 by 4 by 2 3/4. They're all made of black plastic, and they come with their own little lids, which are easy to get on and off when you're loading up foods. These adorable Kettle-style dishes provide a unique way to serve many personal portions of mains or side dishes. The included lids help to keep ingredients warm and covered. And the plastic kettles are durable and strong and provide a nice rustic touch just when you need it. They're perfect for things like stews, chilies, rice dishes, noodles, sides like mac and cheese, and they're made of a recyclable plastic for a perfect disposable option. These are fantastic for caterers, restaurants, or a variety of food establishments, anywhere where you're looking for that nice little rustic, homey touch to add to those side dishes or mini portions.